attracted to him for two reasons, well, three. That he's filming, and I've made Super 8 films before in my life for funsies. I've traveled for funsies and filmed as I went. A lot of stop action or just whatever interested me. Second reason is this Led Zeppelin shirt, my favorite band. Can't deny that. And then the third is he's got a hat on that says Indian, which is a motorcycle. And there's a fantastic documentary called World's Fastest Indian, in which it's a true story that chronicles the story of a guy from New Zealand who was a mechanic who had no money but a dream to set the sound record on a motorcycle, and he overcame obstacle after obstacle. His whole town came and put the money together to ship him to Salt Lake. They almost didn't let him in because he was too old, but he overcame every obstacle and he broke the sound record on his Indian motorcycle, and it still holds, I think, to today. So that's a great movie. Anyway, we're standing here in front of the Lexington History Center that's being renovated. It's originally the city hall for this area. It's a very old structure built in the 1800s, and slaves were sold on its front lawn. And a lot of people in the community, since racism really isn't cool because we're a society now, a global society of all, we're all inclusive in this global fabric. They had a sign that notified people of that told people that slaves were sold here. They had that sign removed, and that is included in the renovation of this whole thing, was removing that sign. It's now the History Museum because City Hall is brand new, and when they built the new City Hall, they had to displace a lot of people because they bought the whole block. But there's still a lot of fantastic architecture downtown Lexington, and that's all I have to say. I hope you enjoy your trip.